Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello for project management, pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Trello account if you don't already have one. Visit the Trello website and click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to set up your account using your email address or social media account. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with the option to create a new board. Click on Create New Board and give your project a descriptive title. Select a background color or image that reflects your project theme. Next, start by adding lists to your board. Lists represent different stages of your project, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Click on Add a List and type in the name for each stage. Now, it's time to create cards for each task. Click on that Add a Card button under the appropriate list. Give each card a clear title describing the task. You can also add a detailed description by clicking on the card and typing in additional information. Use checklists within cards to break tasks down into smaller steps. To add a checklist, open a card and select Checklist from the options. Assign due dates to keep your project on track. Click on the calendar icon within the card to choose a deadline. Consider using labels to categorize tasks by priority or team member. Click on Labels and select colors or create custom labels to fit your needs. To enhance collaboration, invite team members to your board. Click on Invite and enter their email addresses to give them access. Utilize the comment feature within each card for team discussions. Encourage team members to share updates or questions directly in the card comments. Regularly move cards between lists as tasks progress. Drag and drop cards to transition them from one stage to another. Use the Power UPS feature for added functionality. Select Show Menu, then Power UPS to explore options like calendar views or integrations with other services. Take advantage of Trello's templates for common project types. Browse the template gallery to find boards that fit your project's needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.